Hello, welcome to Great Garden. Have you ever looked forward to the moment when flower buds gently open and bloom brilliantly in the morning light? An orchid pot, or any flowering plant, can become a vibrant highlight in your home if we truly understand what the plant needs. In today's video, I'll share an orchid care formula using simple ingredients readily available in your kitchen, something anyone can easily do. When applied correctly, this method helps the plant focus on nourishing its buds, enhances color longevity, and extends the blooming period. It's not complicated or elaborate, just proper care principles that create noticeable differences over time. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss any helpful tips. Let's get started. The first ingredient I use is coffee grounds. Coffee grounds contain natural organic matter and minerals such as nitrogen and potassium, which help improve the growing medium and support healthy orchid root development. First, I use a clean glass cup as shown in the image. I add 1 teaspoon of coffee grounds into the clean glass cup. Next, add 500 milliliters of hot water to brew the coffee. Then, stir well so the coffee fully blends with the hot water, allowing the organic compounds and minerals to be extracted as much as possible into the solution. Finally, cover it and let the solution steep for 1 hour. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. While waiting, I gently pre-water the plant. This light watering helps evenly moisten the growing medium, reactivates the root system, and creates favorable conditions for nutrient absorption in the next step. Do you know when you should water your orchids? With 10 years of experience growing orchids, I recommend watering them in the morning. This allows the roots enough time to absorb water throughout the day, and any excess moisture on the leaves or in the crown can dry before nightfall. If you water at noon, high temperatures can cause the water to evaporate quickly and may lead to heat stress for the plant. If you water in the evening, the plant will stay wet overnight, increasing the risk of root rot and fungal diseases. Watering in the morning helps orchids stay healthy and reduces the risk of diseases. After about 1 hour, once the coffee solution has completely cooled, I filter out the grounds and keep only the clear liquid. The collected liquid is the filtered extract with the residue removed, helping prevent clogging of the growing medium and ensuring it is safer to use for orchids in the next steps. In the next step, I use baking soda as an ingredient. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the coffee solution. Then, use a spoon to stir well until all the components are fully combined, creating a uniform solution. Thorough mixing helps the active compounds disperse evenly in the water, prevents sedimentation, and ensures the plant receives nutrients in a more balanced and stable way during use. Finally, add about 1 liter of clean water to dilute the coffee and baking soda mixture, reducing its concentration and ensuring it is safe for use on orchids. Now, the solution is ready to be applied to the plant. Method 1. First, pour the diluted coffee grounds and baking soda solution into a clean glass cup for easier handling. Next, use a cotton ball or a soft cloth to soak up a sufficient amount of the solution, and gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the orchid leaves. Handle it gently to avoid damaging the leaf surface. This cleaning method helps remove dust, residue, and impurities that accumulate on the leaf surface, allowing the leaves to breathe better and absorb light more efficiently. At the same time, the organic compounds from coffee combined with baking soda at an appropriate concentration help balance the leaf surface, contributing to the prevention of fungal and bacterial growth. It should be done about once a month, or whenever the leaves appear dusty to maintain clean, green, and healthy foliage. Method 2. Next, pour the diluted coffee and baking soda solution into a spray bottle. Lightly and evenly mist the entire orchid, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf axils. The fine spray helps distribute the solution evenly over the plant's surface, providing gentle cleaning, supporting environmental balance, and helping limit the growth of fungi, bacteria, and some small insects. When applying, be sure to spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves to enhance cleaning effectiveness, allowing the leaves to stay well ventilated and maintain stable photosynthesis. You can apply this once a week in the initial stage. Once the plant is growing well, reduce the frequency for long-term maintenance. After spraying, let the plant rest for a short time to absorb the solution. If any solution remains in the leaf axils or on the leaf surface, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth to prevent prolonged moisture, helping the plant stay healthy and grow sustainably. Method 3. I'd like to share a simple tip that can help stimulate orchids to bloom earlier. First, pour the diluted coffee and baking soda solution into a small container. Add a few ice cubes to cool the solution before use. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Once the ice has completely melted and the solution is only slightly cool, not too cold, you can proceed to water the plant. This method creates a slight temperature change around the root zone, similar to the natural difference between day and night. When the roots are exposed to a safely cool solution, the plant tends to adjust its physiology, reducing focus on leaf growth and promoting the development of flower spikes. The combination of organic nutrients from coffee and the balanced environment provided by baking soda, along with a mild cooling effect, can help support a more stable blooming process. It is recommended to apply this about once a week. Once the plant has adapted, gradually reduce the frequency to avoid excess and promote stronger, longer-lasting blooms. You can also use the remaining solution to water your peace lily. Coffee provides a natural source of organic matter, while baking soda at a diluted concentration helps balance the growing medium. When used in the right proportions, this mixture can support stable root activity, improve soil aeration, and help maintain greener, healthier, and glossier foliage. Results. After 2 months of consistent application, the orchid enters the blooming stage with very noticeable improvements. The flower spikes grow strongly, with thick and upright stems, showing good internal strength and stable nutrient accumulation. A large number of buds form and are evenly distributed along the spike. The buds are big, firm, and well-rounded, reducing the risk of bud drop. When blooming, the flowers have thick petals, well-shaped form, bright colors, and long-lasting durability. The blooming period extends for several weeks, with flowers opening successively, creating a vibrant and lively display. The combination of organic nutrients from coffee and the balanced environment provided by baking soda has contributed to supporting flower bud differentiation and maintaining flower longevity in a stable way. What do you think about this method? Have you ever tried using coffee and baking soda for orchids? Share your experience in the comments below. This is a well-deserved result of patience and proper care. When nurtured correctly, orchids will reward you with long-lasting, vibrant, and energetic blooms. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more effective orchid care tips. See you in the upcoming videos.